Hi friends, we are Shikha Richard, the co-creators of VyomSutra, a self-guidance oracle. VyomSutra is a comprehensive do-it-yourself course on divination, which is facilitated by a Vedic heritage, through which anyone can learn and master the art of divination in a simple, fun and meaningful way. Very quickly, what is divination? We all have a higher self, an inner guide or an inner voice which is constantly communicating with us. Divination is a process in which we can consciously connect and communicate with a higher self or our inner guide in order to get answers to our questions or to get insights and direction or guidance to any situation in life. VyomSutra comprises of 78 oracle cards, the artwork of which beautifully depicts our Vedic heritage. It has a comprehensive self-help or self-guidance oracle book which beautifully explains the meaning of each card in the oracle system. It offers a simple and instant method of divination. It also gives the real-life applications of each oracle card when it appears in the divination process, and a lot more for anybody to divinate instantly and simply.
So VyomSutra is a storehouse of knowledge and wisdom, and there is a lot that we learn from VyomSutra. So these are some of the knowledge and skills that we have the potential to learn from VyomSutra. VyomSutra teaches a method through which anyone can seek answers to their questions and divinate instantly. VyomSutra teaches the art of asking the right question in order to get clear answers from the oracle. VyomSutra teaches the art of self-guidance that empowers one to make aware and informed choices. VyomSutra teaches a complete course on tarot and how to use it as a medium for guiding self and others. VyomSutra provides an avenue to earn money for people who desire to take divination professionally for guiding others. VyomSutra teaches in detail the balanced cross spread that can be used easily by anybody to divinate. VyomSutra depicts our rich Vedic heritage through its legends and legendary love stories in a simple, fun and meaningful way. VyomSutra explains the philosophy of yin-yang and how to apply it in everyday life for balance and harmony. VyomSutra teaches us a method through which one can identify one's purpose of life and live it to the fullest. And VyomSutra shares and explains the philosophy, I love you through myself, through you I worship myself, that can be practiced to live a holistic and fulfilling life. So we wish you a fulfilling, happy, fun, empowering, divinating experience with VyomSutra. Happy divinating. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.